Let that shoulder drop. You okay?
Are you okay?
How do you feel?
Okay. Oh, amazing, great, everything.
She feel. Look, you see, you're back. You're more upright.
Yeah, I feel. Oh my god, all that tension that I had right here is just gone. My lower back is like, I don't know. I could. Wow. I'm like.
You could do it too if you wanna. It's up to you. Because I could. If you have an iPhone.
Yeah.
I could drop you the video after.
Okay.
We're gonna start here. The sacrum bone. Sacrum is the keystone of the spine. Hip bones lock in. Your tailbone is right at the bottom where you sit all day. Okay? When you sit for long periods, this all gets locked in. Then you try to stand up, it stays locked. Also, if you hinge over at the hips, like if you bend like this, it stays locked. And then you try to get back up and it's like, ugh, it gets all tight. So that's trying to protect your spine and it's trying to protect your pelvic area and stay tight. But that's no good. Then you have no freedom of movement and you get more pressure, tension, and stress as you keep moving. Good. Good. Turn to this side, face me. You're going to lie on your left side, bring that arm all the way through. Through there, right there, right there. Bend this leg all the way up towards you. Going to slide this one here. Go back here, and I got you. And you get good rotation in the lumbar spine, sacrum, hip bone, okay? Excellent. Okay?
Yeah.
You're going to turn to the other side. Excellent. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go right there. I'm going to slide a little towards me. Get this on. There you go. Turn right. I'm going to get that back there. Get this right here. Wait. There you go. That's better. Let's stand up. You're going to cross your arms in front. And turn right here and here. You're going to tuck your chin. Take a nice deep breath in, blowing all the way out. That was good.
That was good.
Okay. Release that tension and pressure. Excellent. Gonna go a little lower. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Stay right there. Breathe. Breathe deep, in and out. Then you're gonna go sit in that chair right there. All right, the occiput, base of the skull, right here, basically, sits on top of that first cervical vertebrae, first neck bone. Wants nice freedom, wants to move, right? Mm. But then as computers, phones, we look forward, we bend a lot, we start to compress, it starts to compress, and not enough freedom. A lot of important nerves are in there. Most important one is the spinal cord that goes through the middle, attaches to your brain. It wants freedom. Doesn't want to be impinged upon, okay? Right. So we got to free it up so it can work at its optimal potential, at its fullest potential. Put your arms and hands over the sides. You know, slide down just a little bit. Perfect. Totally relax. This right side, right there. Let that shoulder drop. You okay?
Are you okay?
Is she okay?
I'm here like, oh.
She went, oh. I gotta have the camera on somebody's watching. It's too funny. Because there is no cracking, really. There is no cracking. Okay?
That's amazing.
All it is a pressure change inside the joint. Air escapes, like when you open a wine bottle. Mm-hmm. That's all. That's all it is. There really is no cracking in the bones. We say it like on Instagram and things like that, but there really is no cracking. It's just a pressure change. And it helps to relieve that pressure, tension, and stress, like right there.
I love it here. good.
Felt good?
Yeah.
Excellent. See? And the funny thing is when a lot of people come, they say, oh, I thought they were over-exaggerating because all the people laugh. No, they're not over-exaggerating. When you finally get that pressure, when you get that released, it's off your brain. And your brain's like, oh, I could live again. You can lie on your back, face up. Give me your arms and hands right here. Let's stay in here. I'm going to bring that back there first. I'm going to open, because we want to open up those shoulders, those clavicles, sternum and rib heads. I want to make sure I see you. Yes, I do. I'm going to bring you right back there. Right down the middle. Perfect. Just cross right there and there and stay totally relaxed. Good. Back a little more. There we go. Alrighty. Y strap. Long axis traction. Y axis traction of the whole spine. Decompress right down the middle, okay? I want you to take a nice deep breath in, blow it all the way out.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
Wait, is she still laughing? Go ahead. Let it out. Let it out. Don't hold it back in.
Oh my God.
All the way through, right?
Yeah.
Right? Is that amazing?
It is.
All that tension just gets released.
Wow.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing.
I don't feel that pressure on my shoulders when I'm laying down no more.
It's gone.
Oh.
Let's stand up. Turn right there. Sorry. Right there, right there. Turn. How do you feel?
Okay. Oh, amazing. Great. Everything.
She feel. Look, you see, you're back. You're more upright.
Yeah, I feel. Oh my God. All that tension that I had right here is just gone. My lower back is like, I don't know. Wow. I'm like,
She has freedom, more freedom of movement.
Yes.
Once you release that pressure, tension, and stress, you gain freedom. Okay, adjustments are freedom. Adjustments are good. Don't be afraid to get adjusted ever. She found us on Instagram, right?
Yes.
She found me. You're looking at us on Instagram. Come get adjusted. What are you waiting for?
come. Thank you.
You're very welcome. That was awesome. That was good. It is, and you know.